I really don't recommend this. Here is why. Although olive oil contains compounds that can be beneficial for your skin, but applying pure olive oil on your skin for extended period of time was shown in a number of studies that can be detrimental for your skin barrier integrity. Reason number 2 is that the sugar used with olive oil will not dissolve, because sugar will dissolve in water, not in oil, so the crystal form of the sugar will stay intact and it can be very abrasive for your skin. Reason number 3 for not suggesting to follow this DIY is that the hygienic and microbial contamination. Although the DIY consists of just olive oil and sugar and the free water activity is basically zero, contamination from other part of the DIY like the container and the cotton pad can lead to infection in your skin. Plus, olive oil can be oxidized when is not stored correctly, leading to a chemical reaction inside the oils that could lead to compounds that can be potential irritant for your skin. So please don't follow those kind of DIYs.